Good morning from the Bike with Girl channel. Today's video has a bit of a twist, but you'll have to wait a little bit. पर एक बात है कि बचपन से मेरे माँ बाप ने मुझे सिखाया है कि भाई संडे को बाहर जाके कुछ तूफानी करना ही है. मुझे पक्का ये ड्रीम आया है क्योंकि द टाइगर 900 GT has come home yo, and the tiger can literally take you anywhere. So let's go.
आपको पता है आगे कहीं पे कुछ लेक है क्या? नहीं पता. अच्छा, थैंक यू. गो 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 गो. यस यस. दैट फेल्ट गुड.
Before I tell you why the lake was much needed, how smooth was that transition from tarmac to off-road, man. I loved it. Like, this is not even running, off-road tires and knobbies. But that's the whole point of owning a Tiger. It can take you so many places. Basic deets, this is an 888cc inline 3-cylinder. Triumph has changed up the firing order of this bike, which is why you don't hear that high revving superbike sound on the Tiger anymore. This is what you hear instead. जहाँ पे ट्रैवल करना आपके सेहत के लिए बहुत ही हानिकारक हो सकता है, स्पेशली एट दिस पॉइंट, आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू डू माय ओन लिटिल ट्रैवल एंड लिविंग पीसफुली, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई ब्रॉट दिस टाइगर टू द लेक टुडे. From that extremely refreshing swim and all changed up, but now we have to talk about this amazing bike that brought us here. The Tiger this time is a lot lighter, it looks smaller, and more than anything else, it's super manageable. Like that early morning plan to come here, not hard to get here at all when you have a bike like that. For starters, it's not as tall as all the adventure bikes I have been falling off in the recent past. And believe it or not, इसकी seat height जो है, it's not as much as the 790. It's lesser than the 390 and probably even lesser than the 200. But of course, the 200 is a much lighter bike. This is heavier and bigger, so much easier to ride the 200. But overall, this bike checks out, and how. Now, let me show you how you can adjust the seat height. So you've got these two notches here. There's one here and one here. There you go. इसको मैंने already कर दिया है, तो ये दोनों अभी set. So pretty much everything on the Tiger GT 900 is new. New engine, new suspension, new chassis, brand new electronics, new Brembo Stylema calipers. I'm not sure how that's pronounced, I may be wrong. Split radiator, and then that nice massive TFT. And it's got 4 riding modes. So it's rain, road, sport and off-road. New LED indicators, and their position has also been changed. They are now next to the headlamp. then of course the new LED headlamp and tail lamp. Another thing which is great is that the Tiger has a 20-liter fuel tank, which is more than the last time, of course. But somehow Triumph ने manage कर लिया है कि भाई इसको top heavy नहीं बनानी है. तो when you ride the bike, you're going to realize that this stuff is not top heavy, and that's crazy. I don't know how they do it. I mean, this bike is brand new, यार. इसको Tiger नहीं कुछ और बुलाना चाहिए था, because it's nothing like the older Tiger. And honestly, I just want to take it out now and have some fun on it. So, see ya.
स्पीड से भगाया लास्ट
अरे सर
कितना सीसी का है?
ये है 888 थैंक यू सो मच
So I didn't get to try the heated grips because obviously it's very hot today. As you can see from my face, I have tanned also so much. But I did try the cruise control, and I wish I had my GoPro with me at that point where it was with Vikas. And I tried it because he was on a much slower bike, and I had to stay with him because I didn't know this road ahead. But really, man, the cruise control was such a joy to kind of chill at. Anyway, this being the entry level Tiger, it comes at a really sweet price. It's about 50,000 more than the earlier Tiger, of course. Yeah, I mean, I just had such an amazing time on this bike today. And I really hope you like what we did with this video. Please don't forget to tell us in comments if there's something that you'd like us to try, adventure-wise. But in the meantime, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Subscribe, of course, and like, because Vikas and I, we're always listening. Don't forget to comment also.